Welcome to Thousand Trails Indian Lakes. It's also KOA. Let's go check it out. Come on. If you're Thousand Trails members, you will check in at this gate. If you're a KOA, you'll check in over there. And you have to put down a $10 card fee to use, because this is a security gate. But when you leave out and you return the card, you get your $10 back. We did not know that until we got here. You put your card on the keypad. Well, is it gonna let us in? Uh-oh, we may be stuck.
Always the problem with being inside.
I think I saw mine to go up. There we go. And they do have a sign that says golf carts may only be operated by a licensed driver, not a learner's permit, and your quiet time is 11 to 8. No cruising permitted during quiet time. So let's go check this campground out. Off to your left over here, those are annuals.
No, they're personal housing.
Well, personal housing, yeah, they're here all the time. And I mean, they do their side up like something else. Yeah, they call those personal sites, and over there.
Takes you to the golf course.
Yeah,
and boat dock.
Yeah, it takes you down there to the golf course and boat dock. Now over here is Thousand Trails
Yep.
section.
We'll go over through there.
And we're going to take you around over here. Now, the Thousand Trails Indian Lakes Campground does have, I believe we counted 8 handicap sites. And the KOA section, according to their map, we saw they only had 1. But this is part of the Thousand Trails.
Yep.
And they do allow tent camping. We did see tent campers in here. Yeah, there for a while, there were some tent campers back in there, and it was hot when they were here. But now it's starting to cool down. And we got to meet Ricky and Barbara while they were here for a couple days. But their sites are all gravel, except the handicap ones. They're all concrete pad, and they are big and huge. If y'all seen one of my shorts, I showed you how big that site was. You got a fire pit with a little grill over it you can cook. These are, I think Tucker spotted a bird. Did you spot a bird, Tucker? He hasn't seen that many squirrels though. One thing I gotta say is they got some drainage issues or something back in here, because there's some of these sites that's got water standing in them right at the end, and we haven't had any rain for quite a while. It's been at least about a week since we've had rain here. Yeah, they have a bathhouse and laundry room on this section. Now, this site right here, according to the map, is KOA's handicap site. This is one that KOA has listed for their handicap site, Site 100. But it's located right next to the bathroom and shower house and laundry room. And it's full hookup. But, you know, this is a well-shaded area, though. It really is. It's well-shaded. And they have the little grills too. And we did see them bring a truck around, or a tractor around, and a wagon, and pump all the septic out, because
Pump their holding tanks out.
yeah, pump all these holding tanks out. But that was it for the KOA section. And believe me, they got plenty of dumpsters throughout this campground for people to get rid of their trash. They're very good about that. And this is the start of the 1,000 Trails section. As you can see, they're gravel also, and they're full hookups, 30, 50, water, sewer, the whole 9 yards. Now, you will see some people that, I take it they rent these lots in here. But they do have quite a few sites, you know, for people to book. This campground has been well took care of. They keep it mowed and everything, but the roads do have some potholes in them. I'll tell you that. And there's been we've seen several RVs in here with their lots and different things for sale. Yeah, as you can see, some of them really set everything up nice with these sheds and everything. But it's a nice campground. This is all located in Batesville, Indiana. And if I remember right, this campground's open April the 1st and it closes down November the 1st, you know, due to the winter temperatures up here. Check out that purple RV. That would match the Cricket. That's cool looking. Even the residents here have been very nice. Every Friday night they have, Saturday night. Every Saturday night at 7 o'clock they have a golf cart parade. And they'll go up and down around and throw candy to the kids. They have a good time. All right, let's check out the restrooms. Okay, let's see how handicap accessible they are. This one down here appears to be the handicap stall. This is the handicap shower. They got it done right. They got guardrails. They got railing, bench seat, the shower, everything. All right. Let's see, check out the rest of it. It's all neat and clean. I'll tell you that right now. It is neat and clean. Staff takes care of it. Okay, this is the handicap bathroom. That is it. I gotta give them a big check mark on that. Nice handicap bathrooms. Nice shower. They did good on that one. Everything's easily accessible. There's our handicap site. And as you can see, we had plenty of room right up here in the front. I mean, that site is huge. Huge.
Hey.
But here's another one of the handicap sites. Look at that. Look how long and wide that is. Every campground should be taking notice and do this. I tell you, that's how you do a handicap site. And like we said, there's approximately 8 of them.
Yep.
8. Yeah, there. 3.
There's this one here, one up there on the farm, one down here.
Okay.
And there's one over there, and then 2 there, and then 2
Yeah.
there.
There was one right beside us, and then on down.
The 2 down on the other end.
But I tell you, every campground should take notes and do that kind of. That's how you do a handicap site. It is definitely it. But up here at the front, you'll notice another one of the handicap sites. And I tell you, you could put 2 rigs in there. And that's how wide they are. Because our rig is about 37 foot, and we still have plenty of room up towards the front. Tucker, what are you doing? Are you driving again? Another one of their handicap sites. I like that one. It was in the shade part-time. And that's where we met some of our new friends, the Jarhead and Ginger, put us in touch with, because they were here at the same time as we were. But here's the last of the handicap sites right there. Did ask us to display our handicap placard.
Yep.
Handicap placard, or you have the handicap license plates. I mean, you don't just say, I need one of those sites, just so you can have it a nice concrete site. You got to show proof. They don't just give it to you. And we told them about our cricket cart was a handicap mobility cart for me to get around in. So they helped us qualify too for it. And we had the handicap placard. Oh, they do have cabins to rent too. But I tell you what, to be quite honest, some of them need some tender love and care. They kind of need some work done on the outside. Little cosmetic stuff. I don't know what the inside looks like. But they kind of need some work. As you can see, pothole. They need to fill in the pothole. You even have a little bathhouse for you to change after you get done swimming. But this is the beach area. And people have put their pontoon boats and all that out there. They got a little slide that goes out to the water. It's a nice little lake. I tell you what, on the weekends it's busy though. Ooh-wee. A little gazebo over there. Yeah, this is rocking. It is bumpy. But that's the beach area. It's not huge, but people have fun. These are the permanent residents, or they rent their lots or own them. I don't know which it is. But they really fix their sites up. I mean, they do a good job. But they're kept in a different section than when we were in, so. But I mean, some of them really go all out decorating. Look, there's an Arcadia, another 3660 RL. Isn't that cool? We never did see anybody come. We never did see anybody at it while we were here. They even have their own laundry room and bathrooms here. Let's check out the dog park. This is Tucker's favorite area. And it's not got exactly a handicap entrance into it because the thing lashes way up. I mean, as you can tell, it's not very good. They need to fix that one. Uh-oh. Where's Tucker? Oh, there's Tucker. Ready, Tucker? And they're off. It's like the Kentucky Derby here with Tucker. You gonna give me that one so you can get another one to play with?
Are you ready? Come here.
Come on, Tucker. Where is it?
Come on. Come on, you ready?
Come on, Tucker. Woo! Raiding these off. And the winner is Tucker by a long shot. You can see the latches are way up high. They need to put it down lower.
Put it down lower, nobody can reach it. They have to reach over it.
Well, they ought to have another way for people with a disability. But this is the pool area. And it's not got the handicap lift like I've seen in other Thousand Trails and Encore parks and stuff. It needs the handicap lift in here. And they got a little kid area over here. See the little kid area? And they need a handicap entrance. So you have to pull that up and open the gate. And it shouldn't be that way. Well, let's go check out the bathroom. There's never a lifeguard on duty. So let's go check out the bathroom. But that is nice. They offer it. You're always going to say they didn't offer it. Yeah, let's go check out the handicapped stall. Nice. They got the handrails up here, the seat and everything. Oops, slammed the door. But I'll retract that comment. They do have a lift. All right. They just need the handicap entrance into the pool area and into the dog park area, and they will be more compatible. But there's their pool hours, and yes, they have no guard on duty. Oh, Tucker went to go for a ride, so let's go for a ride. I gotta say, Indian Lakes Campground at the Thousand Trails Campground is well worth to come to here in Batesville, Indiana. Now, I fair warn you, on Friday nights, Saturday nights, the permanent residents, they come in. The weekend people that have spots there in the back, full setups, everything. And they party. They'll be riding their golf carts and playing their music. But I did see one thing. Nobody ever said anything, as far as I know. There is a rule: you have to be a licensed driver to operate a golf cart. We did see some young kids operating them. But, it's up to the campground to say anything. Because of their insurance and everything. But the only thing I found wrong with this campground as being handicap accessible was the entrance into and out of the pool area on that gate, and the gate going into the dog park. Other than that, this campground knocked it out of the ballpark, especially with these handicap sites. I mean, look at that. Look at that camp. It is amazing. It's huge. All campgrounds should do that. So until next time, just always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just the horizon. I'll see y'all down the road in the next video. Bye-bye.